In this lesson, we will talk about bleed and trim marks. Bleed is the small area outside of our artboard, as you can see here in this red color line. Now, bleed is useful when you have an artwork that you want to print out and cut it into a specific size. For example, this artwork, it has a size of 18 cm by 25 cm. And meanwhile, a normal A4 size paper is 21 cm by 29.7. So when we want to print this out, it's going to be smaller than our A4 size. And usually printer, they have a standard size of paper that is available. So for a situation like this, we will have to print this artwork out using an A4 paper. So let's analyze this artwork further. As you can see at the edge of this artwork, it's white color all the way until top. So when I put this, or when I print this artwork onto an A4 size paper, let's put it over here. I will align it using the align tool. So this is an A4 size artboard. So if I print this out, I will get something like this. And now without bleed, we will have trouble cutting our artwork because there's no mark or indicator to show us that it should be cut from this area or that area here. And this is when bleed comes in handy. So to export out your artwork with bleed, when you set up your document, you notice that you can set the bleed amount here. If you did not set it beforehand, no worries. You can go to Files, go to Document Setup, and you can set up over here as well. So once you set this up, you will get this red color bleed line. And next, we want to export out this artwork with a trim marks, basically the indicator for our bleed. So to do that, I will export this document out as a PDF. So go to File, Save As, and I'll select PDF. So I have a file here. I'll just replace this file. And next, we will have to set up the trim marks. And one thing I want to cover over here is this setting here, Preserve Illustrator Editing Capabilities. Please take note. So if you're planning to send this out to a printing shop to be printed out, and you want to protect the content of your file so that no one can simply edit or steal your artwork, make sure you untick this option so that when they open, they will not be able to access all the layers. And then we will go to Marks and Bleed. Make sure you tick on Trim Marks, and here you can set the thickness of the trim mark, and once you're done, press Save. Press OK. Now let's open the Save document. As you can see here, when we print this out on an A4 paper, we will get this black color trim marks. So when we want to cut our paper, our artwork, we can use this as a guideline to trim our paper.